Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a text note comment in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select this tools option. Now select this comment option. Click on this sticky note option. Insert anywhere. Now click right button for properties and select this properties dialog box appearance option and scroll down. Here you will find this text note option. You can change this text note color, so the pink color, and see this text note color change and click here. Now type here your comment or paste your comment. Now post. You can reply this comment, also you can add check mark and click this three dot option. You can edit, delete and set status. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.